Did you know that your gut and brain are deeply related, and gut health can have a huge impact on your brain health? The gut lining, also known as the intestinal epithelium, is a single layer of cells that forms the boundary between the inside of our intestines and the rest of our body. This lining plays a crucial role in digestion and absorption, selectively allowing nutrients and water to pass through while keeping harmful substances out. One of its primary functions is to serve as a barrier, preventing pathogens, toxins, and undigested food particles from entering the bloodstream. It also facilitates communication between the gut microbiota and the immune system, helping regulate immune responses. Additionally, the gut lining produces mucus, enzymes, and hormones that aid in digestion and protect the gut from mechanical damage and infection. What is the microbiota? The microbiota, often referred to as the gut flora, is a diverse community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, that inhabit the digestive tract. This ecosystem is essential for maintaining our health. The microbiota plays a vital role in digestion, breaking down complex carbohydrates and fibers that our bodies cannot digest on their own. It also synthesizes essential vitamins like B and K, and supports the immune system by competing with harmful pathogens for resources, thereby preventing infections. Moreover, the microbiota is crucial in maintaining the integrity of the gut lining and producing short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, which fuel the cells of the intestinal lining. It also influences brain function and mood through the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain. What is the blood-brain barrier? The blood-brain barrier, also known as BBB, is a specialized and highly selective semi-permeable barrier that protects the brain from potentially harmful substances circulating in the bloodstream. This barrier is composed of tightly packed endothelial cells that line the blood vessels in the brain, supported by other cells such as pericytes and astrocytes. The primary function of the BBB is to maintain the brain's stable environment, crucial for optimal neural function. It achieves this by allowing essential nutrients like glucose and amino acids to pass through while keeping out toxins, pathogens, and large molecules that could disrupt brain function. The blood-brain barrier also regulates the movement of ions, ensuring that electrical signaling in the brain occurs smoothly. Furthermore, the blood-brain barrier plays a role in the clearance of metabolic waste products from the brain, protecting it from damage and supporting neural health. What is leaky gut syndrome? Leaky gut syndrome refers to increased intestinal permeability, where the gut lining becomes more porous, allowing harmful substances such as bacteria, toxins, and undigested food particles to leak into the bloodstream. This condition can lead to various health issues. The primary consequences of a leaky gut include chronic inflammation, as the immune system reacts to the foreign substances that enter the bloodstream. This inflammation can trigger or exacerbate autoimmune diseases, allergies, and other chronic conditions. Additionally, leaky gut can lead to nutrient malabsorption, contributing to nutritional deficiencies and associated health problems. Several factors can contribute to leaky gut syndrome, including a poor diet high in processed foods, unhealthy fats and sugars, chronic stress, alcohol consumption, infections, and the prolonged use of medications like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and antibiotics. These factors can damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of the gut microbiota, further increasing intestinal permeability. What is the relation of leaky gut and a permeable blood-brain barrier? The gut-brain axis connects the gut and the brain, allowing them to communicate bidirectionally. A leaky gut can influence the permeability of the blood-brain barrier, leading to what is known as a permeable blood-brain barrier or leaky brain. When the gut lining becomes compromised, pro-inflammatory cytokines and other inflammatory mediators are released into the bloodstream. These inflammatory signals can reach the brain and disrupt the tight junctions of the blood-brain barrier, making it more permeable. This process allows harmful substances, such as toxins and pathogens, to enter the brain, potentially leading to inflammation and neuronal damage. A permeable blood-brain barrier can be produced by various factors, including chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and exposure to environmental toxins. Poor diet, high stress, and certain medical conditions like hypertension and diabetes can also contribute to a compromised blood-brain barrier. Moreover, dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut microbiota, can lead to the production of metabolites that affect both gut and brain barrier integrity. What are the consequences of a permeable blood-brain barrier? the consequences of a permeable blood-brain barrier can be severe and far-reaching. When the blood-brain barrier loses its integrity, harmful substances can enter the brain, leading to inflammation and damage to neurons. This can contribute to the development of neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and other neurodegenerative conditions. Increased permeability of the blood-brain barrier can also lead to an exacerbation of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. This is due to the disruption of neurotransmitter balance and impaired neural communication. Additionally, a compromised blood-brain barrier can affect brain metabolism and the regulation of essential nutrients, leading to further cognitive and emotional challenges. Furthermore, chronic inflammation caused by a permeable blood-brain barrier can contribute to the development of neuroinflammation, which is linked to various neurological disorders. So, maintaining the integrity of the blood-brain barrier is crucial for protecting brain health and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. How to heal a leaky gut. Healing a leaky gut involves adopting a comprehensive approach that includes dietary and lifestyle changes. Here are our strategies. Improving your diet is important. Focus on a nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory diet. Include whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, low glycemic fruits and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives that can irritate the gut lining. Use probiotics and prebiotics. Incorporate probiotics, such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, to restore a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Prebiotics, found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, feed beneficial bacteria and support gut health. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can worsen leaky gut. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Avoid alcohol and anti-inflammatory drugs. Minimize alcohol intake and avoid excessive use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, which damage the gut lining. Supplement wisely. Consider supplements such as L-glutamine, which can support gut lining integrity, and omega-3 fatty acids for their anti-inflammatory properties. How to heal a permeable blood-brain barrier. Healing a permeable blood-brain barrier requires addressing underlying causes and promoting overall brain health. Here are some steps to apply. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet is pivotal. Similar to healing a leaky gut, focus on an anti-inflammatory diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like fatty fish, berries, and leafy greens can support brain health. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the brain. Exercise also promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports neural health. Manage stress. Practice stress management techniques to reduce inflammation and support brain health. Activities like meditation and mindfulness can be particularly beneficial. Ensure quality sleep, as good sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the blood-brain barrier. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Reduce exposure to environmental toxins and pollutants that can compromise the blood-brain barrier. This includes avoiding smoking and limiting exposure to air pollution as much as possible. Support your gut health, since the gut-brain axis plays a role in blood-brain barrier integrity. Maintaining a healthy gut can indirectly support brain health. What nutrients are needed to heal both? Certain nutrients are essential for healing both the gut lining and the blood-brain barrier. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that support both gut and brain health. Antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, dark chocolate, and green tea, can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Vitamin D, since adequate levels of this vitamin are crucial for immune function and inflammation control. Sun exposure, and foods like cod liver oil and fatty fish are good sources. L-glutamine. This amino acid supports gut lining integrity and may also have benefits for brain health. It can be found in supplements and foods like chicken and fish. Zinc. Essential for immune function and tissue repair, zinc is found in foods like meat, shellfish, and legumes. Polyphenols. These compounds, found in foods like grapes, olive oil, and dark chocolate, have anti-inflammatory properties that support gut and brain health. By focusing on these dietary and lifestyle changes, you can promote healing of both the gut lining and the blood-brain barrier, supporting overall health and well-being. Understanding the interconnectedness of the gut-brain axis is a powerful tool for achieving optimal health. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, the gut-brain connection is a fascinating and complex relationship that plays a pivotal role in our overall health. The gut lining and its microbiota are critical in maintaining this connection, influencing digestion, immune function, and even our mental well-being. The gut microbiota communicates with the brain through the gut-brain axis, affecting mood, cognition, and behavior. A healthy blood-brain barrier is essential for protecting the brain from harmful substances, while a leaky gut can lead to increased intestinal permeability and systemic inflammation. This inflammation can affect the blood-brain barrier, potentially making it permeable and allowing toxins to enter the brain. Such permeability is linked to various neurological disorders and cognitive decline. To maintain a healthy gut-brain relationship, it is crucial to support the integrity of both the gut lining and the blood-brain barrier. This involves consuming a nutrient-rich diet, avoiding processed foods and excessive stress, and incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and prebiotics. Regular physical activity, stress management techniques, and a balanced lifestyle also play vital roles in supporting this connection. By nurturing both the gut and the brain, we can enhance our mental clarity, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.